guys, good morning. So this is the day after the Moms That Brunch Candyland brunch, and we had an amazing time. See, my voice, I haven't lost my voice because I've been talking and all that. MCing an event is never ever easy, guys. Like, it's never easy to be an MC. You talk and talk and talk and talk. So I'm not surprised that my voice is giving way, but I just wanted to come and unbox a couple of things that I got courtesy of this event. First of all, the goodie box that I got, and then a couple of other gifts I got as well for being the host slash MC. I will show you guys in a bit. So this is my own personalized box, right? My name is on it right there, and it's filled up, like, guys, it's heavy. It's filled up with so many things. Let's just do a quick unboxing. This event was amazing. The event went so well. We had a good time. At some point, my camera batteries all died, and my phone battery even died. So at some point, I wasn't even recording anymore, but it's all good. I showed you guys the most I could show you, which, to be honest, is the bulk of the whole event. So yeah, we had a very good time. Mommies came out to have an amazing time. You guys saw your favorite mommies, like mommies that you will see outside and be like, you don't even know, say they don't drop 1, 2, 3, 4, like hot moms. Anyways, let's unbox this. So first thing here is this Lulu tampons from a brand called Lulu. This is their pack of tampons. I'm a tampon girl, so that comes in very handy. Then over here are press-on nails from Imose by Petite Boss. This pink press-on nails. Excited for these. Then there's this watch from Sapphire Sense. Very cute. It has the Moms That Brunch logo inside it. I think it's super duper cute, and in my favorite color too, pink. So I'm super happy about this. And over here is an eyeshadow palette from Steph London Cosmetics. That is what it looks like. Very nice colors. I can't wait to play with these. Okay, this is Tinkle's Crunchies Crunchy Mix and Treats. Just crunchy stuff, crunchy treats and stuff. This is dates powder from Green Phoenix, right? Dates powder. This is a pair of lashes by Lashed by Petite Boss. Very cute and full, voluptuous lashes. This is pancake mix from the Mix Up. You guys know them, they sponsored my event as well. We have this berry whipped scrub from, what brand is this? Okay, yeah, berry whipped scrub from Emercy Naturals. So this is what it looks like. I already have an idea how this would smell. It says berry, so it'll smell like berries, and I'm excited for that. Then there's this bar soap from Desert Organics. I have this diffuser from Crystallina's Nigeria. They also sponsored my events as well. I have a pack of candies from Candy Yum Yum. So like candy is all in here. This is scented wax melts, priceless flower pots, right? Wax melts. I'm not sure how they use this. I have this cute scrunchie. I'm not sure what brand this is from because the brand is not on it, so I'm not sure. Okay, yeah, from Deb's Clothier. So this is from Deb's Clothier. There's a face mask here. What do you call it now? A sheet mask, okay, from Blue Poppy. They've sent me a package before, and I love their sheet mask. So there's a sheet mask here. There is a chocolate bar from Loom Chocolates, right? This is mango chili chocolate bar. It's a Nigerian chocolate company. There's a bottle from Moms That Brunch, right? Chocolates here as well from Chockridge. This is brightening body soap from NBS Skincare. This is what it looks like. This Kura Crunch, I love this a lot. I've had it before. And then this jar of chocolates from the Mix Up. We have a couple of vouchers here as well. I have this voucher from Julieta Hair Collection. I have one from Playwall. I have one from the Mom Trainer. Okay, so I got a couple of other gifts as per MC slash host. So I got this cute plant from Priceless Flower Pots. I think that's their name. Yes, Priceless Flower Pots. Very pretty. You guys know I'm a plant mom, so this is going to my kitchen windowsill. Got this nice box as well, guys. I got a lot of gifts. I got this nice box from Indulge by Say. This is what the box looks like. I love the color so much. It's so pretty. And when you open the box, this is what it looks like. very pretty. So there's a card here. It says, we can't thank you enough for everything you've done and continue to do for your family. Happy Mother's Day to an all-round amazing mom. Lovely. So this brand is also owned by the people that own Blue Poppy, the sheet masks. So they own this brand as well. Wow, inside smells amazing, guys. So in here, this is a silk pillowcase. I love it. A silk pillowcase is in here with the Blue Poppy logo. So lush. We've got some chocolates here. Then we've got some bath bombs. Some bath bombs. I don't have a bathtub in my house, so I cannot have a luxurious, you know, proper bath. So maybe when I go on my next vacation, I'll go with these. Got a candle here from Luna. Smells so good. Blue Poppy gave me a Valentine's package in February, and they put this candle, but a different scent. This one is a different scent, and it's like a concrete candle, which I think is really genius. It smells so good, guys. That's what it looks like. It's so rustic, and I don't know, it's just so nice. It's very, very different. Absolutely love it. There's still a sheet mask here from Blue Poppy. At this point, I have so many Blue Poppy masks. There's a card here, and then in here there's a robe, guys. Like, look at this gorgeous robe, right? So pretty, and it still has the Blue Poppy logo right here. So yeah, very lovely box. I have this from Graymont Shelters. They were one of the sponsors. There is this. This is so needed for this heat. There's this. You guys know the drill. If you live in Nigeria, you know the drill. There's a water bottle. Very cute water bottle. And then last but not least for now is this from Body Organics. This is their skin food whipped soap plus scrub. It's a whipped soap and a scrub. This is what the packaging looks like. Very nice, very colorful. This is their Beyond Skin Turmeric Liquid Mask. Okay, so yeah, those two products here. So thank you to every single brand that sponsored this event. Lovely. The next day. Hi guys. How am I laughing? Hope you guys are doing good. Today is Monday and I'm just about heading out. I want to go out and pick a few things. I have candy in my mouth just in case. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm going to the market to pick a few things. I'm going over to the store to pick a few things as well. So just thought to vlog this and hope you guys enjoy as always. Let's go.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're always by you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you. About all of the problems in us. No, it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let
you. Hey guys, what is going on? Hope you guys are doing well. So I quickly want to come and show you guys something I received a few days ago. Okay, look at this, guys. This package is from Beguile by Oma, and I have unboxed something from this brand sometime last year when she sent me 2 of her fragrances, and I've talked about them before on my channel. Passion and Seduction. I still use them and I still love them so much. And Beguiled by Oma just came out with another fragrance, and I'm super excited to unbox. Like, I haven't even opened this box since it got here, but anyways, I'm excited. I've seen the campaign pictures, videos and everything on Instagram, and it is a vibe. Okay, it is an absolute vibe. So all right, let's open the box, and this is what the packaging looks like. Okay, very nice, very luxe. So it's called Goddess. Okay, this fragrance is called Goddess, and at the back it says she is not ordinary, she is a goddess. I love that. So let's open this up. I can't wait to smell this. Like, I'm so eager to smell what this smells like. Oh wow, it's a lot more luxurious without the nylon on it. So nice. Oh god, I can already perceive something mad coming from this box, because what? This is the baby. This packaging is beautiful. Like, Oma, you did amazing. Oma, you did amazing. This, wow guys, this packaging is so nice. It is so beautiful. Just look at this. You guys are even seeing my camera reflection, but what? This is so luxurious. Oh my god. Like I said before, it's called Goddess, and jeez, oh my god. You guys know that I am not one to know how to describe perfume and their notes and all of that, but Jesus, this is just pure luxury. Okay, and I don't even know how much this is going for. I think it's like 18k or 20k or something, but that is a steal for what you're getting, because hey, Jesus, guys, this smells so freaking good. Like, this is beating Seduction hands down. You guys know I love Seduction by Beguiled, but this one is beating Seduction hands down, because no, the name suits it. This one will make it smell like a goddess, no doubt. Thank you so much to Beguiled by Oma. I will cherish this because this is so beautiful. I should have a reel up about this fragrance. I'm working on a reel for this brand. Yeah, I have in mind. It's going to be mind-blowing, so I'm looking forward to that reel so much. But my god, let me go and add this to my perfume tray real quick. So guys, go check her out. I've said this before. I have spoken about this brand before on my channel, Beguiled by Oma. I have her Passion and Seduction fragrances. This one is a third, and I love it so much. It smells so good. Like, oh my god, I can't wait to bathe myself in this. Like, I'm actually going out or something, I cannot wait to bathe myself in this, because Jesus, it smells so good.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side.
I don't like this.
Huh?
Change it.
Uh-oh. No.
Change it to green.
No.
What? Change it to green. See? Wait, let me change it. See? It's beautiful. What are we going to paint the gift boxes? What color?
This one.
Which one?
This one.
Green? Come on, paint it, let me see. Paint it, let me see.
Perfect.
I see.
Marvelous.
It's lovely. No! Okay, turn this one. Change the sky.
Wonderful.
Change the sky.
The sky.
To blue. The color that one. No, not that color. Oh.
Me and her father. Anyway guys, it just dawned on me that this vlog is my 200th vlog. You guys remember this time last year, actually I celebrated like 100 vlogs, and I can't believe that between last year and this year I have put out 100 more vlogs. Like, that is crazy. That is so crazy. But yeah, this is my 200th vlog, guys. amazing, amazing, amazing. Wow. And I feel like there's even more where that came from. I feel like it's more than 200 because there were some vlogs I didn't number sometime last year, but wow, over 200 vlogs, guys. Mia, let me talk. But guys, like, this is just so amazing. Like, this is a huge milestone for me. Vlogging is not one of the easiest things to do. I cannot believe that between when I put out my very first vlog and now we've done over 200 vlogs. Like, that is absolutely crazy. So crazy. But I feel like going forward now, I'm going to stop numbering my vlogs because I can't keep up anymore. I feel like I cannot keep up anymore. So whenever we reach our 500th vlog, I probably will not even know. Let's see, your hand is coming out in my video.
Let me come and kiss mommy. Come and kiss mommy, see.
Daddy, no, they cut me.
Daddy.
Come and kiss mommy now.
I was talking to the camera before I came to interrupt me.
Come and kiss mommy.
No, they cut me.
Okay.
They catch me. But yeah, guys, I think I wouldn't be numbering my vlogs anymore. Can't keep up anymore, so basically I will just title my vlogs as usual without numbering them. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support so far. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys know this, you know this already, okay? You know this. So thank you guys so much, and we celebrate even more, many more vlogs to come. We'll reach up to 1,000 vlogs on this channel one day, okay? We just may not know it, but we'll reach it. These two people even want to keep me with love, eh? What is it?
Exposed. Yes,
hope you guys enjoyed watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye.